I'm still a bull in Bitcoin in the long term. So if I go back into the logarithmic view of this, and we just grab the your old simple trend line, and move this back, it's no problem at all for Bitcoin to come back and hit these levels. No problem at all. And it may not take that fast. It may be much faster speed in the move that it does. Something like we saw back here. So let me zoom in on these, leaving it in the logarithmic view. Zoom in on this. We see these big triangles and how hard people were hit with all of these longs in the markets right now. If we have something like this, let me zoom in on this more, because I want to now do that. What is that? Shift? This thing bugs me, but it's handy sometimes to see that this went down 30%. And if we do it up this way, that's 41% that it had to go back up after this break. So we're seeing this same kind of setup right now. And I know that if we go into the RSI, is that what we're looking at here? Yeah. It was this break that made things so important. So now if I bring it back to today's charts and look at it, the daily view, look at this. It's not good for bulls. Certainly good to be set up for shorts. And I don't know what that's going to do to the altcoins. I don't know if that's going to make Bitcoin dominance go. I don't know. But since the altcoins are all making 1, 2, 3 bottom formations out of historical lows, and Bitcoin looks like it's going to do a big correction, I'm kind of betting long on alts, short on Bitcoin right now. But most of the time, I don't have it up right now, but the thing I'm having most fun with is silver.